Sir, now I have one small doubt about this JPMS concept. Don't worry, sir. Sir, now do you know Java 8 came in the 2014. Remember that Java 8 came in which year, sir? 2014. Java 9 came in 2017. Regarding Java 9 came in which year? 2017, of course. Can you please tell JPMS concept introduced in okay, in Java 9. What is the purpose and so on? Later we will discuss, right? Almost around almost more than around 5 to 6 hours I want to spend only on this concept. Don't worry about that. Can you spell out when JPMS development was started? Okay, it came as the result in Java 9. Anyone can you please guess? Almost around JDK people took 12 years to develop this concept. The style of writing Java program is going to be changed from Java 9 version onwards.